Hello, this is Paul Rollion, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google site for your class. First, go to drive.google.com, and once you get to this page, click the plus sign and New, go to More, and click on Google Sites. What shows here is going to be your home page, and what you want to do is you want to give it a name, Science. And this could be, instead of your page title, you can call it Science Class. Here you can change the image. You can select one of the given images. You can use that. And you can click the text box and type the welcoming message. Welcome to our science page. And here you can add, from the insert menu, you can add layouts such as this one. I'd like to add 3. The first one I'd like to call Life Science. The second one I'd like to call Physical Science. And the third one I'd like to call Earth Science. You can rearrange these if you'd like, or put it back in that order. Scrolling down from this layout menu, you can set a divider, which will cut this section and allow you to continue down here, which here I'd like to put something like a slide deck for students to view after class or preview before class. And here's an example of those. And what I'll do is I'll have to give you a little warning here. When you finish the Google slide deck, it may not allow you to share it. So what you want to do is you want to go here where it says Get Link and change it to anyone with a link. And that will give you permission to publish it and display on everybody's website. So what you want to do is you click on Slides, and that slide deck is right there. You click Insert, and like I said, this is a perfect way for students to preview your content, class content, or review what you did in class. So it's a perfect reinforcement. So we have our home page done. Now what I'd like to do is add more pages, and I'm going to click here, this plus sign on the bottom, and I'm going to call it Science. I'm going to add another one. I'll call it Life Science. Add one more and call it Physical Science. Earth Science. And you have all of these up here. If that's fine with you, you can just leave them there. Of course, to each one, you can change the image. You can use that one for this page. Change this one to another image, or if you have your own, you can perfectly use it. And that would be good for, I guess that didn't change it. Let's go back. You can use that one there, or like I said, your own. Now I have one more page that I'd like to add, is for parents. You click Done, and the pages are up here. The menu is up here. So what I want to do is I want to add these sub pages under Science. So I want to put Life Science under Science. I want to put Physical Science under Science and Earth Science under Science. So what I do is I drag and drop it right on there. I have Physical Science and I drop it right under Science. And I do the same with Earth Science. So that when I come over to my menu, there they are. And there's my For Parents page. So you have your home page, you have your Science page, life science, physical science, earth science, and for parents. So I have one more document for parents, and I have this letter here that I'm working on. And I'd like to give it permission. I'd like to share it with anyone with the link. So you click done, and then go back to your site. Go back to the insert menu, put a text box in there, and say something to the parents like, hello parents. This letter explains the class procedures, etc. And what you do here is you scroll down to Docs, find that document, which is the first one, and then click Insert, stretch it down, and the letter appears there. So once you're satisfied with your page, you can go ahead and publish it. And for that, you click the Publish button. And this will give you the beginning URL for it, the web address, but you need to add something here like science rules, or somebody already took that. You can put science Mr., and then you can put your name after, or Mrs. You can put your name after. So I'm going to leave it like that. You'll come up with your own. Be creative with it, but don't make it too complicated, so that students and parents can remember it, or at least it's an easier link to share. So you highlight that. This is what you share. You click Publish. It's uploading the page. Click the plus sign for a new tab, and you go to the URL, and here is your science page. You go to science. There is your life science, physical, earth, and for parents. And there is your document. That's all there is to it. Enjoy.